Hello Facebook, how you doing? This is Jerome Kersey coming to you live. First time going live on Facebook, so be kind, be gentle. I am letting you know that, in lieu of everything that's going on, the real estate market here is still striving. We're still doing well. And with that being said, I want to share with you a new listing that I have. Address is 3815 Union Avenue in Pennsauken, New Jersey. Beautiful twin property. Everything's been done over in this property, including the exterior. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside, guys. As you walk into a nice sun porch. Again, brand new windows, brand new walls. It's been stripped down to the studs and everything's been done over. Beautiful hardwood floors entering into the living room. Hey Megan, hey Karen. From the living room, it leads us right into the dining area, which is great for the price that you're getting. You have a place to sit down and eat. A lot of families don't do that anymore, so I think it's very important. Everything is completely done over. The kitchen is remodeled. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful tile flooring. And it leads to the outside mudroom where the washer and dryer is located. This property also has a unfinished basement, which can easily be finished. Beautiful backyard, completely fenced in. So small family, child, dog, you're in good shape. I'm gonna take you upstairs real fast. Again, I cannot stress enough, everything's been done in this property. Completely stripped down to the studs and done over. As you come upstairs, I'm gonna walk you straight ahead to one of the smallest bedrooms, but still a beautiful size, nice size bedroom. This back room faces the backyard, obviously. Completely carpeted, brand new carpet. Second bedroom. The bathroom has also been completely done over. This is a first-time buyer's dream home, actually. This house is completely done over. It can be purchased FHA. Why rent when you can own for the same price? Maybe even less with the rates going down as the way they are. And then here's the third bedroom as well. For those with a larger family, there's even possibilities of the attic being finished. All right? So you even have space in the attic. Needs to be finished, but tons of storage space as well. So come take a look. Again, the Nancy Kowalik group. We are striving. We're doing well. Real estate is doing well. Rates are good. Hope to see you soon.